Welcome to FinSystems tutorials and demos. With more than 15 years of experience, we are your ideal partner for smooth and fast implementation of ISO 222 compliant payment messages in SAP. This tutorial explains the upload of the Customer Credit Transfer Initiation version 3 to your SAP system. In the first step, we will now explain how to upload the predefined and fully mapped message. From the SAP Easy Access screen, go to Transaction DMEE. Initiate the upload from the transaction menu by selecting Format Tree Upload XML file. Select the format definition by choosing the relevant file from your local computer or application server file system. On the next screen you can see the generated bank-specific payment message tree structure, including all pre-mapped fields, logical functions, and constants. Check the format tree for errors and warnings by clicking the Scale button. If everything is correct, press Activate and store the format tree to the relevant transport request. After successfully uploading, we will now explain the customizing steps. From the SAP Easy Access screen, go to Transaction OBPM1. Add the format tree by clicking New Entries, and add the required details such as format name, description, program control, and payment medium output settings. Note that the format and structure for format parameters names have to match exactly the relevant names of the DMEE format tree. Select Mapping using DME Engine, Company Code, and House Bank, and again confirm the warning message regarding allowed namespaces. Next, go to Transaction FBZP and click on Payment Methods in Country. Scroll down and select the applicable country and payment method. In the Payment Method Details screen, select Use Payment Medium Workbench and select the new message definition created in the prior step. Press the Disk button to save your settings. Next, go to Transaction FBPM and create a selection variant for your format tree. To do so, enter or select the format tree name, add the relevant format parameters such as structured remittance info, batch booking, and whether to use a unique UETR reference, and define the print parameters for payment summary and error log. When done, save the variant by giving it a meaningful and unique name and description. Finally, go to Transaction OBPM4 and map the selection variant to the format tree. Having done the customizing steps, we will finally demonstrate the payment run. First, go to Transaction F110. Enter a payment run date and identification and hit Enter. On the parameter screen, enter the required payment parameters such as company code, payment method, next payment date and vendor account numbers. If applicable, enter parameters for logging and save your entries. When everything is set, schedule a payment run proposal. Make sure to select Start Immediately and Create Payment Medium. Then go to the Payment Medium Administration and select the relevant payment medium file. By clicking on the Goggles button, the automatically created payment medium file can be displayed and checked prior to sending. If you have further questions or need support, contact us directly or via our web shop. For additional products, visit us there as well, as also at the SAP store. Thanks for watching.